What if I told you that you don't need millions of naira, you don't need a university degree, and in many cases, you don't need years of experience to relocate from Nigeria legally to Germany? Right now, Germans are looking for workers in their companies. Germany has a shortage of hundreds of thousands of skilled workers to solve their problems. And the problem is that they have thousands that are actively looking for people to train through a program called Ausbildung. And here is the interesting part about it. Many Nigerians have heard about it, and most have no idea how it actually works. Some believe it's a scholarship. Others think it's a free visa. Even some even pay agents thousands of dollars to get them this program. But unfortunately, they get scammed. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process to move from Nigeria to Germany through that program called Ausbildung. We will cover the eligibility, language requirements, salaries, where to find employers, how to apply, how to get your visa, the biggest mistakes Nigerians make, and how you can eventually become a permanent resident in Germany through this program. By the end of this video, exactly what to do, what to avoid. So if this looks like what you are interested in, then let's begin. But before we begin, let's clear up one common misconception. This program is not a scholarship. It is not a free money program, and it is not shortcut. Let that one sink in very well. It's not shortcut. Ausbildung is a vocational training. It's a training. It's a vocational training program where a German employer hires you to learn a profession while paying you a monthly salary. Think of it as a learning and earning program. At the same time, instead of spending years studying and not making any money, or let's say without income, you are gaining practical experience in a real company while attending vocational school. That is it. Most programs last between 2 and 3.5 years. Yeah, 2 and 3.5 years. And when you graduate, you become a qualified professional with excellent chances of getting a full-time job in Germany. And why are Germans doing this? Why Germany? That's the question many people used to ask. So why is Germany doing this? The answer is simple. Germany has one of the oldest populations in Europe. Every year, more people retire from their workforce than those people who enter the workforce. This has created shortages in healthcare, in construction, in hospitality, in logistics, in elderly care, in manufacturing, in IT support, in electrical work, in plumbing work, and many other skilled professions. So German companies simply cannot find enough workers locally to fit into the available spaces. So that is why they are increasingly recruiting internationally, including from countries in Africa like Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and the rest. So this creates an opportunity for people who are willing to learn German, develop a skill, and build a long-term career. It is a process to enter into a long-term career. Unlike many immigration routes from different countries or even from Germany itself, Ausbildung gives you a structured path to employment and long-time residency. So, who can apply? Who is eligible? Generally, you should have completed secondary school, period. Many employers accept WAEC, accept NECO, although some employers may require additional qualifications or evaluation of your current certificate. You should usually be between 18 and 35 years old. Some employers accept older applicants depending on the profession and your experience. But the biggest requirement is the German language. You have to master German language because most Ausbildung programs require at least a B1 level of German language, because you have to communicate with customers, you have to talk with colleagues, you have to talk with patients, you have to talk with clients every day. So can you apply without German? In few cases, yes, but in most cases, no. So you have to start by learning German. That's your first key of fitting yourself into the program. So learning German is a very important part, and it's one of the most single investments you have to make to get into this program. So how much do you get paid when you eventually get this Ausbildung program? Now, unlike your traditional education, Ausbildung pays you every month. It pays you every month, depending on the profession and on the training and the year you are in your training. You can earn anywhere from 700 euro to over 1,500 euro a month. That is before taxes. Here, nursing, industrial mechanics, electricians, logistics, and technical people often pay more than hospitality or retail. But keep this in mind, that this is a training salary. It is not a full professional salary. It is just what you get paid for going through the training. So after completing your Ausbildung program, many graduates earn significantly more when they transition into full-time employment, because that's the ultimate goal, is to transition into full-time employment. So for many people, many people used to ask, how do I actually apply? So let's look at the roadmap. Here is the roadmap I would like you to follow. Step 1 is choose your profession. Don't just apply randomly. You apply based on your occupations, based on your interests, based on your physical ability, and based on your long-term career prospects, and also based on potential salary you wish to earn as you finally transition into full-time employment. So those are the firms that you need to look into. Step 2 is that you start learning German immediately. If you're interested right now, start learning German immediately. Don't wait until you find an employer or you start all the process. So the earlier you begin, the stronger your application becomes. So number 3, which is step 3, is prepare your document. You will typically need your passport, you need your CV in the German format, you need your motivation letter, you need your educational certificate, you need your transcript if applicable, you need your birth certificate, you need your language certificates. When they ask for it, you will need all of these things to be input. Now let's look at the complete Germany Ausbildung guide that everyone can follow. Number 1, finding a real Ausbildung position. For you to apply, you need to have a real position. So once you have decided the kind of career you want to follow, you have decided your career path, you have started learning German, and you have prepared your document ready. Now comes the question everyone is asking: where do I find a genuine Ausbildung opportunity? This is where many Nigerians make mistake. They rely entirely on agents. Some agents are legitimate, don't get me wrong, but many promise guarantee jobs, guarantee visas, or ask for huge upfront payments. No one can guarantee you a visa or Ausbildung contract. No one can do that. Instead, learn how to search for opportunities yourself. The opportunities are online, they're everywhere. Just master how to search it for yourself. Some of the best places to find Ausbildung vacancies include Germany's official job portals, the Federal Employment Agency websites, Make It in Germany websites, company career pages, and reputable international job platforms. When you find a vacancy, read the requirements carefully, because once you get the requirement right, you can prepare for it and apply. So check the required German language level, educational qualifications, application deadline, and the documents they want you to supply. Don't just apply for 5 jobs and say, I've done it, I'm okay, and be hoping. No. Apply to like 50 to 100 jobs. The more quality application you send, the better your chances. So your chances is dependent on the quality and the quantity of what you have done. Rejection is part of the process. Just know that there are a lot of rejections that will come. Every rejection teaches you something. Keep improving your application until you receive that interview invitation. Preparing for interview. Now let's say you have applied and you get your interview. Getting invited for an interview is a huge milestone, because not many who applied will get it. But if you get it, congratulations to you. Most interviewers will love to conduct their interview online. You conduct it through Zoom, through Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet. The employer isn't looking for perfection. Know this. They are only looking for someone who is motivated, who is willing to learn, who is ready to be punctual, who is serious about building a career. Be ready to answer questions. Questions like, why do you want to train in Germany? Why do you choose this profession? Why do you choose our company? What do you know about our company? How are you learning German? Those are the practice questions that are possible to be asked. They are simple. They don't need perfect grammar. You yourself, you just need to make sure that you just learn how to communicate efficiently and effectively. Be confident, prepare very well, and honesty matters to them more than memorizing complicated sentences. Honesty is very, very important. So getting your Ausbildung contract. If the employer is satisfied, they will send you your Ausbildung contract. And when you get a contract, there is important thing you must do. One of the most important documents in your journey and thing you must do is to read it carefully, because it's very, very important. Check your monthly training salary, check your start date, check your working hours, check your vacation days, and check whether the company provides you accommodation or helps you to find housing, because that is important. When you get there, you need to be able to sort out where to lay your head. Never sign a contract you don't understand. Never. That can give you a problem. So if necessary, ask someone who speaks German or seek professional advice before signing it. Don't sign contracts you don't know. Applying for German visa is the next thing. So how do you apply for German visa? Once you have your signed contract and you have replied them, it's time to apply for your visa. You will typically submit your application through German embassy, or let's say German consulate, that is responsible for visa processing in your country. If it is Nigeria, you go to German consulate or embassy anywhere you know them. You have some in Kenya, in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and others. Prepare your documents carefully. This usually includes your passport, completed visa application forms, biometric photographs, your Ausbildung contract, your proof of German language proficiency, and your educational certificate. Prove that you can support yourself if your training allowance does not fully cover the required amount. And health insurance arrangements where applicable. Just need to do that. Health insurance arrangement where applicable. One missing document can delay your application. So make sure all your documents are intact, because if you miss anyone, you can have many bad repercussions on your application. Double check everything before your appointment. During the visa interview, answer questions honestly and confidently. Answer it honestly and confidently. The visa officer wants to understand your purpose, your training plans, and whether you meet the legal requirements. So don't memorize fake stories. Then be truthful. That is what these people want. How much money do you need for this process or for this program? The bigger questions Nigerians used to ask is money, because we know money is usually an issue. So how much money do I need? That's what you ask yourself. Then the answer depends on your situation. The answer depends on your situation. You need money for learning German language. You need money to process some of your documents. You need money for passports if you don't already have one. You need transcripts, your certificate translations. You need visa fee, you need flights, and you need initial settlement expenses. So if your monthly Ausbildung salary is below the financial threshold required for living expenses in Germany, you may need additional proof of funds, such as a blocked accounts or another accepted form of finances. And then you need also to plan your finances early. Plan it very well. Don't wait until you receive a job offer before you start planning it. So now, 5 biggest mistakes Nigerians make. Now, before we end it, let me share the 5 biggest mistakes that stop many from succeeding in their Ausbildung application. Number 1 is waiting too long to learn German. Many people spend months searching for jobs without learning the language. Start today. Number 2, using one generic CV for every application. You see, every employer is different, and then you need to tailor your CV and your motivation letter to every application. Number 3 is paying fake agents. If someone promises a guaranteed visa or guaranteed job in exchange for a huge fee, walk away. No one can guarantee approval. Number 4 is that application for careers they don't actually understand. Some people are applying for professions or career they don't know. Research the profession before you apply. Watch videos, read job descriptions, know what the work involves, not just apply. Number 5 is that giving up after rejection. Many people give up after some rejections. Some successful applicants receive dozens of rejections before getting one interview. Persistence is part of the process, so don't give up. Even if you are rejected, apply to more other opportunities. Moving to Germany through Ausbildung isn't easy. It's not easy. It requires patience, it requires discipline, and it requires learning a new language and adapting to a different culture. But for thousands of people, it has become a life-changing opportunity. The key is to prepare properly, rely on official information, and avoid shortcuts. Shortcuts that could cost you time and money. If I was starting this journey from Nigeria today, here's exactly what I would do this week. This week, I would choose one Ausbildung profession. I would enroll in a German course. I would create a professional CV. I would prepare my document. I will start applying consistently. One application can change your future. If you found this video helpful, subscribe because